sorry, the computer and just work for like 24 hours trying to master it to work properly. Because until they got to the actual computer, certainly the first time they were testing out new loads, they were basically going like create tapes, now try and load see what. And that then wait 3 minutes for the game to go, okay, now start tapes go. These tapes would they would go they could duplicate like 10 times speed. And then it was all automated, so it would the tape would actually be duplicated and then one you need to set. It wasn't like a cassette, like with audio, you actually put the tape into the cassette box and duplicate it. So yeah, it was all like crazy like stuff.
Yeah.
Compared to now, just
for the internet. And
So what was your name?
Jihoon.
Jehoon, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You said Paul was the guy.
Yes, I can introduce you.
Yeah.
Suggesting the game pattern that we get to 3 is because the
Come on, no idea what you're playing.
Non lo so, ma sto studiando. Devo togliere.
Write on assembler, you write compiler, and then write on OS. So now I've built the computing platform.
Yeah.
16 bits for Newman CPU, chip on computer on chip. And right now I'll
I had a search before. And then I got a PC after that.
the two-player manager was the PC did not. This very important. Nice, what they were going.
I know you've been having a day. You can actually you know, get you off, grab it in the bag, and if you want to do a year travelling or whatever,
So
you
that is
could,
also an option.
yeah.
These are the BSc here. So, okay, these are your masters and these are your bachelors.
So this is your resident, and then your master.
Yeah, and then if you're doing